Now I request Ramesh sir to change the PPT to eNest 174.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, friends.
Sir, Mr. Chetan, is there any timeline given to the participants?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So what is that?
5 minutes presentation, 2 minutes question session, ma'am.
Yeah, okay,
Total 7 minutes.
okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Poster number eNest 175. You can start the presentation.
Hello. I'm
Please.
sorry, actually, in our area, there is electricity cut off.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, you can start the presentation.
I, I can start my presentation. I will good, good evening, sir and madam. Myself, Shraddha Sawant from second year B Pharmacy, Vishwakarma University, Pune, Maharashtra. Uh, I'm delivering. My topic name is dinitrogen heterocyclic base or anti-ovarian crank, uh, and the brief sketch regarding the same. As we all know that for many years, cancer is a leading cause of many deaths occurring worldwide, and as the mainly many women face ovarian cancer, breast cancer, and cervical cancers in their during their lifetime, and cancer attract attention mainly the medical professions due to its less noticeable symptoms. We cannot find out majorly we cannot detect the ovarian cancer at the early stage. So mainly women due to this women many women uh, get out of their life, and the mortality rate for the women are 40% in the stage 3. And there are many early treatments and therapies used for this stage 1 stage 1 level, and for uh, improving the global survival rate. There are many chemotherapeutic agents used have been discovered till now, and mainly I have studied regarding the both two rings that are 5 member imidazole containing anti-cancer drug and pyrimidine based anti-cancer. So there are very organic and pharmacophorous discoveries regarding the nitrogen based heterocycline. We have mainly searched for the literature reporting various nitrogen based heterocycles anti-cancer drugs, and we are mainly focused on their potential. We are focusing on the dinitrogen based heterocyclic agents for review, which have anti-cancer efficiency against ovarian tumor. We have mainly surveyed the IC50 values of 5 member nitrogen and 6 member dinitrogen compounds against ovarian cancer cells. So the result and discussion of as they are firstly mainly the imidazole based anti-cancer drugs are we studied mainly four, and they are metronidazole, clotrimazole, and misonidazole, and dicarbazine. They are 5 member ring, and their IC50 values are between 4 point micromolar uh, and 20, and they are larger than the pyrimidine based which are 6 member rings, dinitrogen based rings, and the pyrimidine based anti-cancer drugs were Tabin, fluoracin, azacitidine, and capicide. And the conclusion for this is the dinitrogen heterocycles have been found effective less with IC50 value which has less for the ovarian cancer. And as we have studied that 6-member dinitrogen heterocycles are effective compared to 5-membered dinitrogen heterocycle as an anti-cancer agent. Thank you.
Now I request evaluators to start with the evaluation.
So, Mr. Ramesh, please keep the slide over.
Shraddha,
Yes, hello, good evening, ma'am.
good evening. So whatever literature you have searched and the topic what you have chosen, right? So what are the
Yes.
key points? What are the 2 key points in your presentation?
The main 2 key points are regarding the dinitrogen heterocycle rings and the regarding ovarian cancer and IC50 value.
Okay. So based on this ring, how many molecules are already available on the market by considering these 2 rings?
Okay, there are many various drugs available in the market, mainly from imidazole. The clotrimazole is very famous, and pyrimidine-based ring fluorouracil.
Okay. So is it available globally or in India or what?
No, it is yes, ma'am. It is available globally.
Okay. How many molecules are in the pipeline of, I mean, the said rings?
There are various available. Mainly, there are
Can you name the formulations already available in the market? Can you name 2 formulations?
used for ovarian cancer. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Do you know? If you know, then answer it, or you say if you don't know, then please say don't know that.
No, don't know, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. And the last question is, so how many new molecules are already in research and going to come in the market in the future?
I mainly studied 4 drugs.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shraddha, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell me what is IC50?
The IC50 value is the potential of acting on the in the body. Means we intake in, and what are the signs which were reflect by. Hello?
Pardon, Shraddha, can you please repeat it again?
Ma'am, the IC50 value.
Hello, Vikram sir?
Shraddha, your voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Is Shraddha audible to you?
No, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Shraddha, can you speak loudly?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
50% concentration of the compounds required for the inhibit the cell growth of in the body.
So which one is the potent one? If we are having IC50 value 36.6 or IC50 value 3.1?
The 3.1 is more potent.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you, Shraddha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Shraddha, you are studying in second B form.
Yes, sir. Second year BPharm. Sorry,
What? Third year B form.
yes, sir. Good afternoon. Evening.
Okay. Okay. Do you know the uses of metronidazole? Is it used for cancer? Metronidazole, clotrimazole. Is it used for cancer? You studied anywhere? Firstly, do you
Yes.
know what is anti-cancer?
Anti-cancer.
Hmm.
The anti-cancer are the drugs which are used for the treatment of treatment or mainly the tumor. Those are anti-cancer drugs.
Okay. What are different types of cancers?
Cervical cancer, breast cancer, lungs cancer, leukemia, blood cancer, and brain cancer. There are various numerous cancer, skin
Okay.
cancer also.
So, do you know metronidazole, clotrimazole use?
Yes, sir. They are used for the treatment. Mainly, I have studied. They are mainly used for the treatment of ovarian cancers in for the
Metronidazole.
treatment of the
Metronidazole, clotrimazole, ovarian cancer.
yes, sir.
Where you studied?
I have referred review articles, no, a research article as given research reference.
Okay, if you selected any topic, you have to check with your any one of the faculty to check. Okay, you are in third year now. Only you are entered in third year.
Yes, sir. I'm
So after
entering.
this year end only you know about some drugs. Already you study any diploma anything?
No, sir. I have done 11th, 12th, and have taken admission in B pharmacy
Only
after
in
12th.
third year only you are going to study medicinal chemistry and
Yes, sir.
pharmacology.
Yes, sir. In fourth year, I have studied medicinal chemistry.
Hmm. Do you know what is the main use of metronidazole and clotrimazole?
They are antifungal agents mainly.
Antifungal.
Yes, sir.
Clotrimazole is antifungal. Metronidazole?
Clotrimazole is antifungal and metrimazole. Sorry, sir.
Is this your first presentation?
No, sir. I have given one presentation in my school, college level.
Okay. Okay. So before you are going for review, so we'll go through thoroughly and give the latest informations. Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, good attempt. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.